The Man Who Disliked Cats. A short story written by P.G. Wodehouse and read for you in both Persian and English. Please support us by hitting the like button and subscribe. Now please enjoy the story. It was Harold who first made us acquainted, when I was dining one night at the Café Britannique in Soho.
این هارولد بود که ابتدا ما را با یکدیگر آشنا کرد. وقتی یک شب در کافه بریتانیک در سوهو شام خوردامی.
It is a peculiarity of the Café Britannique that you will always find flies there, even in winter.
کنید حتی در زمستان ویژگی کافه بریتانیک این است که همیشه در آن مکس پیدا می.
Snow was falling that night as I turned in at the door, but, glancing about me, I noticed several of the old faces.
بارید وقتی از در وارد شدم، اما نگاهی به اطراف انداختم و چند چهره آشنا دیدمان شب برف می.
My old acquaintance, Percy the Bluebottle, looking wonderfully fit despite his years,